Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds out here in Northport, and we're doing a dig on a rebuild. And there's Kyle. Say hi, Kyle. Kyle's digging, and we're yeah. See that oak tree? Well, you know what we found here where the other skimmer's got to go. All the roots are in that section there. This one here came in nice, but the other one wanted to give us difficulty. Well, let me show you here what we've got. This is the pond here, and the fish cave right here. I'll stand inside so you can see. There's the fish cave. I think that's big enough. And then we got the other fish cave we dug out, and that's big enough. And to think, I had 3/4 of this dug out already, and Kyle and I've been here working away since what time we get started, Kyle? About 8:39. Yeah, and it's afternoon now. And this is the dirt we've got out of here. Over 6 yards in what was left in here. Well, and plus some because we put some out back there. This is where the waterfall is going to go right here. We got to move our tables. We got to get the liner in today. I want to get the liner all set in here today so that we can get this buttoned up before we get the rain. We're supposed to have some rain come in on Thursday night into Friday morning. Excuse me, I don't have my hat. I'm sweating. But we'll have that all done. And then we're going to take a little break. All right, well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, and Kyle out here in Northport, Florida. And we're going to be digging. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.